Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner and we have another read aloud story time to do together. This one is a phonics read through, so we're going to be practicing a specific phonics strategy, and we are working on the long O. This is from Pete the Cat and the title is Head to Toe. The other strategy that we will be focused on is using the pointer strategy to track with the words. That means follow along while we read them aloud. At home, definitely read aloud with me while you watch the video. Let's go ahead and get started with head to toe, focused on the long O sound. Words we will be focused on will be the follow: close, no, mellow, polka dot, toe, uh-oh, votes, yellow. Some sight words to point out and look for while we read is all, for, from, has, he, his, is, lots, of, on, puts, to, and what. These are some fun words, and they could be also ones that you might have trouble with. Look for bus driver, cap, dressed, head, hot, mom, shorts, socks, wear. Let's go ahead and get started in our story. Pete the cat has lots of clothes. He does not know what to wear. Mom votes for yellow. Yellow is mellow. Peter changes out of it. He wears his fish shorts. The bus driver votes for polka dot socks. Coach votes for a baseball cap. Pete puts on all of his clothes. He is dressed from head to toe. Uh-oh, Pete feels hot. Thank you for joining me for a Pete the Cat read-through, practicing the long O-O-O sound. This is Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner, and thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe, and definitely share this channel and videos with your friends. Hope you have a great one.